created by Tom Carruth in 2011. Very nice variegated rose. It's called Purple Splash, and it is a climber, so in that sense it reminds of 4th of July, except that that one is red with such wide white stripes, and this one created by Tom Carruth, purple version of 4th of July. That's what it makes you think of. Truly stunning. And then when they are young, they are rather wine red, like this here. Wine red, actually dark fuchsia, and then when they get older they turn to more purple, and very cute with this variegation, and each is different. The amount of variegation is different. It is nice that it's such a floribunda, and it has long big thorns. Looks very healthy. Shiny green foliage.